Plywood is one of the most popular building products in the U.S. today. It's also man-made, which makes it stronger and more durable than ordinary wood. The process of making plywood begins in the log receiving yard.
That is a lot of trees.
We go through a lot of trees. It takes about 80 truckloads a day just to run the plant.
What kind of trees are they?
They're southern pine. It's a real strong tree.
Georgia Pacific uses 100% of every tree that comes through this yard. But the thickest log is only 30 inches in diameter. So how is it going to turn into a sheet of plywood 8 feet long? Well, plywood isn't made from one piece of wood. It's actually made of several thin layers of different sized wood, sandwiched together. And the first critical step in making those thin layers is to strip the logs clean. A chain conveyor hauls the 1,000-pound logs to these 3 spiked rollers, which guide them through the cutters. These rotating carbide, or carbon and metal teeth, furiously chew away the bark. The blade spins so fast you can barely see it. Its carbide teeth last up to 20 times longer than steel and completely strip the entire log in less than 20 seconds. So these 7 massive steel circular saws slash the logs into 8-foot-long sections.
What's the next step of this process?
We'll put them in the soaking vats, and what we're doing there is getting the log hot and soft.
The logs get pushed into these huge vats. Each vat holds 26,000 gallons of scalding hot water. The 200-degree moist heat softens the logs like potatoes in a pot. Eight to 10 hours later, these potatoes are ready to be peeled. With this, the lathe. The lathe spins the log and pushes it against 2 55-inch blades. The blades peel and unroll up to 60 feet of wood from each log. The lathe can peel an entire log in less than 14 seconds. Each peeled sheet is thinner than a pencil. And nothing goes to waste. The leftover cores get recycled into 2x4s.